Your Chef Ricardo cooking show, guys. It's amazing to be in the kitchen. Anyway, today we want to make you some Jamaican Cornmeal Porridge with coconut milk and almond milk. You can make this one at home. You know the reason why? Because this is from Jamaica Cornmeal Porridge, guys. Jamaican Cornmeal Porridge is the best and it is fantastic. Easy recipe and easy step to follow. You can make it at home and share it with your family, your friends. Donate to the cooking show if you got too much money, and also we're gonna buy more ingredients to finish up the gap them, guys. Thank you so much. This is from Chef Ricardo and the team working very hard. We got a lot more recipe coming up for you. Get a copy of my cookbook, 50% off at the moment. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Welcome back to India. Roughly 3 cups of boiling water. Right there. Roughly, I'm gonna use at least 2 cups. I'm not gonna make a lot of porridge. Alright? That's 2 cups of boiling water. Simple. I'm gonna simply pour some coconut milk inside of it. The amount of coconut milk which I'm using at the moment is roughly 1/4 cups, just a little bit. So that's roughly 1/4 cups. Nice one. Simple. Give that boil for about 2 to 3 seconds. So that I know you guys see exactly what I'm doing right here at the moment. Then mischievous the next part which we're gonna also do is this part right here. We want you to see exactly what we are doing inside of the kitchen today, how to make Jamaican cornmeal porridge. Alright, so this is my little container right here. Pour a little bit of cornmeal. This is the fine cornmeal, not too much, just a little bit of cornmeal. And then simple, pour some milk inside of it like this. And I'm gonna put a little bit more milk. A little bit more milk. Alright, so a little bit of cornmeal and a little bit of milk, as you can see. Give it a little stir. Take a little time and simple 14. Oh, I didn't want to mess up my stove, but that's fine. That's fine. Alright, after you do that, simple turn on your stove, give it a stir, and stir it until it gets cooked for roughly about 10 minutes. So as you can see, it's getting thick and thicker and thicker and thicker. So what we're gonna do leave it for it to cook for another good 10 more minutes. Nice and lovely. So when you're making porridge, to be honest guys, it's best for you to have it like this. Really thick like this. Why? You know why? You can correct it. It's easy to correct like this more than when it's spoiled. So chew it thick like that. Now what I'm gonna do is simple. Get back my own milk and just pour a little bit of milk inside of it. Give it a stir. A little bit more. Then that's it. Because we're gonna use sweet condensed milk to sweeten it. So what happened now? The sweet condensed milk might help it to get a little bit runny also. So that's the best way. And if it's a little bit too thick, you can always add more milk. So that's the best way how to make a porridge at home, guys. Now this is like, it's right in the nose point here guys, as you can see, looking lovely and nice. So basically I just grated a medium size, not the egg, straight inside of it. Give it a whisk. Next, vanilla. Teaspoon, pinch of cinnamon, and also pinch of mixed spice. One, then we're gonna simply put some sweet condensed milk. It is good for you to sweeten and taste as it goes along, guys. So what we're gonna simply do now is put some sweet condensed milk. I have half cans of sweet condensed milk, and I'm gonna simply just scrape it out inside of it, half cans of sweet condensed milk, and I'm just simply scrape it inside of it, and then I'm gonna sweeten it like this. Nice one. Then next, just a pinch of salt, because we are cutting back on salt. So that's a pinch of salt. Nice one. So next thing now is taste it. Let's see what's going on. Alright, let's taste it. That's nice, and the beauty is it's not too sweet and the salt is right. A little bit more milk. Just a little bit more, not too much. That's one. So as I can see, exactly where Chef Ricardo is all about. One more taste. This is perfect. I don't need to go any further. That is perfect. Give it 5 more minutes and that's it. Yes, porridge is finished. Now we're gonna simple pour out a nice potion like this inside of the bowl. Looking so lovely and fantastic, guys. Look at that. Good morning. Good morning. This is a proper Jamaican breakfast. This is Jamaican breakfast. Alright? Lovely and nice. So as you can see, exactly what Chef Ricardo is all about. Looking lovely and nice. And basically, guys, as you can see, we got a lot more recipe like that coming out for you. So enjoy the recipe, subscribe to the channel. All you need is some crackers or some Jamaican hard bread. That's it. And that and a nice glass of water. So guys, see you next time and enjoy. Bye bye.